In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to TikTok. By the end, you'll have your TikTok business account linked to ManyChat so you can streamline conversations and start building automations with confidence. Let's begin right at your computer. Open your preferred browser and head over to ManyChat.com. On the home page, click Login and sign in to your ManyChat dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one. This ensures you connect TikTok to the place where you actually want to build and run your automations. From the dashboard, find the Settings option. Inside Settings, look for the list of channels on the left side. Click TikTok from that channel list. This is where you manage the connection between ManyChat and TikTok. You'll see a prompt to connect. Go ahead and click Connect to start the linking process. A window will guide you to the TikTok side of things. Click Open TikTok to move over to TikTok's secure login flow. Now, log in to your TikTok account. If you manage multiple accounts, be sure to select your TikTok business account here, since automations and messaging features depend on that business profile. When TikTok asks for permissions, review them and click Allow Permissions. These permissions enable ManyChat to access messages and basic account details so your automations can function properly. After that, click Continue to finalize the authorization. Give it a moment while the connection completes. You should see a confirmation screen indicating everything went through successfully. Head back to your ManyChat settings and check the TikTok channel status. It should now show as connected. Often, you'll see a connected label or a status indicator confirming the link. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds or refresh the page. Sometimes it just needs a moment to update. That's it. The connection is live. From here, your ManyChat and TikTok accounts are now talking to each other, making it possible to automate DMs, capture leads, and support your audience more efficiently right inside TikTok. If you ever need to troubleshoot later, double-check you're logged into the correct TikTok business account and that the permissions remain enabled. Otherwise, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're now ready to explore flows, keywords, and automations in ManyChat with your TikTok channel connected.